Well, there we were out in the middle of the desert in San Bernardino County, and it got better too, because then we cut off onto a smaller, very bumpy, sandy road. And a couple of miles later, we had arrived. Okay, we've now come down into the Pinnacles pit.
Target acquired.
This is as basic and as raw and as real as it gets right out here in the middle of the desert. I have a feeling that I've hit the jackpot right over here. What are we looking at over here, Linn?
Well, you're looking at some pretty unique land features that don't occur in too many places on the face of this planet. This is probably the greatest assemblage of them. They're called pinnacles, and they're tufa towers that are made by hot springs that have welled up when this was filled with water and mixed alkaline type substance with calcareous type substance and algae that was here and grew into these spires.
So wait a minute, all these spires we're looking at out here would have at one time all been under the lake when it was here. How many years ago?
3,500 years ago or so is where we date this, and at that point in time this lake was about 600 feet deep.
Now this is what you call wide open spaces. The California desert. Specifically, we're near the nice little desert community of Ridgecrest. It's hot, it's over 100 degrees right now, it's windy, and it's dry. And I gotta tell you, Linn, when you come down here and see them up close, they really, I mean, this is as beautiful a sight as I've ever seen with the blue sky and the clouds. This lake dates back to
as much as 100,000 years ago.
And the lake kind of came and went. It had ebbs and flows, but these pinnacles were always kind of forming at the bottom of the lake when there was water in it.
That's correct. There's a hot spot underneath this area that had some geothermal action, caused that hot water to come up in the bottom of the lake. It mixed its alkaline nature with muds that were here and algae.
And just built these up.
Built these up.
What are these? Are these made out of rock? Are these clay? What are these?
They are volcanic rock, tufa.
Tufa?
Tufa.
Wow. So this is what these are made of?
Absolutely.
And how far does this go? How many pinnacles are there on this dry lake bed?
In the whole assemblage, I believe somewhere between 200 and 400 different features out here.
Look at this up here. Oh my gosh, and look at off in the distance. This should be a lot of fun. I'm not sure exactly where we're gonna go, but hopefully we're gonna find something wet. I'm in the mood for some water. I want water to drink. I want water to splash around in. Right now, I'd be happy just to see some water. And we're in luck because according to I was looking for the 5-star restaurant, for the luxury platinum hotel, for all kinds of special facilities.
Mm-hmm.
Here they are. That's it, right there.
Quick little campsite tour here. Here's my tent, generator, got the drone hooked up. Everything's looking good. I really love this water bag I got. Works great. A towel.
At least you got a restroom out here. That looks like a little mountain with 6 or 7 little pinnacles on top of it.
Indeed.